Hello friends, welcome back to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine and watching my videos. Today I am going to make custard with banana. So please like, subscribe my channel. So come on, let us start with the recipe. The ingredients which I am going to use for the custard, that is, I have taken half kilo milk, 2 to 3 bananas cut up, ripe bananas, some sugar and pomegranate seeds. That is for garnishing, and custard powder. First of all, I'll boil the milk. I will take this much, 2 spoons or 3 spoons of custard in 1 cup. I have taken 3 spoons of custard in 1 cup here. Now I'm going to put little bit warm milk and mix it. The custard is mixed in the milk. I will let the milk boil nicely. Then I will put in the sugar. I'll keep mixing the milk like this with the sugar first. Now put the bananas in and let the milk boil with the bananas. The bananas are cooked up little bit. Now I'll put in the custard. And mix it well. Now my custard is ready. Now I can put it in the fridge and then serve it in a bowl or in a cup with some pomegranates on it. Custard is ready to be eaten. Very yummy, delicious, tasty, sweet. Thank you.